Hi, and welcome back to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This is going to be a little bit different video, one of my review videos. I came across this guy on Instagram a long time ago, Andrew Jordan at Surfside Sips. And I've been checking this stuff out, and I finally said, you know what, let me jump on board with this. And I'm glad I did, I really am. Because I try not to use plastic straws. We recycle here at my house. We try to be as eco-friendly as we can. That's kind of Andrew's passion, is to have reusable straws. And he's an amazing artisan, and he doesn't like being called an artist or anything like that, but he's just some guy who makes glass straws, he says. But he makes some beautiful things and wonderful products. I kind of want to talk a little bit about it today. So I reached out to him, and I got an order of, he has a cocktail set, which comes with a 10-inch straw, an 8-inch straw, a 6-inch straw, and then he also has, so you can see the 10-inch straws, 8-inch straws, and then the 6-inch straws. These are really neat, and he has tons and tons of different colors. I chose blue. I like blue, so I chose blue. And then he also has all of those straws in a bent version, as you can see. There you go. So you see how it's got the little bent neck like a little bendy straw has. Those are really cool, and they fit perfect in an adios motherfucker. But he has some other things. So there's a little 6-inch bent straw here. My wife decided she wanted pink, so I got her a pink 10-inch straw. So what I like about this stuff is they are reusable. It's the best way to be eco-friendly as you can. You hear about all the time how plastic ends up in the ocean and killing the wildlife in the ocean, the marine animals, turtles, dolphins. You've heard all the stories, and they're true. Those stories are true. Plastics they're not biodegradable. So all these plastic straws and everything else that we're using end up in landfills, and if we're lucky, they end up in a landfill. If they don't end up in an ocean somewhere and killing wildlife, and even if they end up in a landfill, a lot of animals end up dying with that too. You got birds who come by. I've seen pictures of birds and stuff with 6-pack ringers tied around their neck and stuff. Save the planet, man. It's the only one we have, and we have children coming up behind us and grandchildren, hopefully one day, for me at least. But let's save the planet for them. Let's do it. Every little bitty thing we do can help out. And that's one of the things that Andrew's passionate about is saving the planet, doing his part. And this is what he does for it. He makes reusable glass straws, and they're beautiful items. And like I said, he's got a bunch of different colors, some opaque colors, some clear colors. Some of my favorite ones are little tiki ones. They look like bamboo shoots, which is kind of neat. It's got the little knots on them like bamboo. And I had to get the honey amber to make it look like bamboo, but you can get this in a bunch of other colors also. And this is the one thing that really caught my eye, are the cocktail picks. He's got some glass cocktail picks that he makes. But if you ever want to see Andrew making this stuff, he's on Instagram Live all the time at his fire, blowing glass, making some designs. He's got a lot of neat things that he's doing and that he's done also. He does take custom orders. When someone says they're eco-friendly, do they really mean it? And one thing I can say about Andrew is, yes, he really does mean it. So I was going to do an unboxing, but I'm impatient. So I saved the packaging so you guys can see it. The packaging itself, there's no plastic. Now, the tape, even the tape's not plastic. Got a little thank you note with the order. Your new Surfside Sips is made of durable borocyclate, and now screw that word up, I'm sure Andrew might say something about that, glass. It's the same glass used by the original Pyrex bakeware. It's to clean, just rinse or soak in warm water. Our goal is to raise awareness of our addiction to disposable plastic. And we do, as a society, we do have an addiction to disposable plastic. Water bottles that we just one time drink and throw away. Get some reusable water containers. I mean, it's not that hard. Every year, 8 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean. This is why we ship all of our straws with single-use non-plastic or styrofoam. No styrofoam in this stuff, I'm telling you here. Paper, just rolled up paper as cushioning. And was my invoice. and Andrew's card. And the box itself, like I said, there's no plastic tape on it. It's all paper adhesive, which is kind of neat. Even the sleeve that it comes in to hold your straws, even this is made of paper. So again, when he says eco-friendly and he's trying to eliminate the use of plastic, he goes all the way in through his packaging. Even his packaging is eco-friendly. So I just can't speak enough of the product. I've had it for a couple of weeks, tried it out, and it truly is so easy to clean. Run some hot water through it, some soapy water, let it sit, put them in my dishwasher. I've had no problems with it. So I've had it for, like I said, about a week or so. Tried them out. It's really, really great product. I did have one break in shipment. That's no fault to Andrew. I'm sure that it got chunked around by UPS or something. But I sent him a message. He's like, which one broke? And he sent me another one right away. Props out to Andrew Jordan at Surfside Sips. Amazing artist. I say this because I got the basic cocktail set. So you can buy, let me see before I drop it. They had a cocktail set. The cocktail set consists of a 10-inch, an 8-inch, a 6-inch, straight and bent, and a cocktail pick. And its prices are very reasonable. So yeah, I mean, for the super set, like I said, it's 6 straws and a cocktail pick, $24. I mean, that's dirt cheap. That really is. And I got the set of the 3 tiki straws. That was $25. And it again comes with 3 different sizes of the tiki straws. And he's got so many other things that he can provide for you. He's got muddlers on there. He's got swizzle sticks on his site also, along with some really unique designs. He's got his critter line. There's like a ladybug on one, and it's just all kinds of neat things that he has to offer. So I want to thank Andrew for actually partnering with me on this video because he is providing my viewers with a discount code. 20% discount. So let's do some math real quick. So that $24 cocktail set is $19 with my discount code. That'll all be in the description below, a link along with the code to use at Surfside Sips. My discount code is LOWCARBCOCKTAILGUY, and you get 20% off on your order. It's well worth it, guys. And I said, if nothing else, pick up the super set. Basically, it's one of everything that he makes. All the bench straws, all the straight straws, and the cocktail pick. And if you do like I did, I grabbed another set of the tiki set also. I like that bamboo stalk design, so that was really neat for me. Make sure you check out that link below my description. Check out Surfside Sips on Instagram, and you get to see Andrew at work. He's, like I said, a couple of times a week he's on Instagram Live. Making straws. All right, guys, so that's it for me. Y'all have a great day. And with some Surfside Sip straws, I promise you'll have a great day too. See y'all later.